Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your RAM type in Windows 11 to see whether if it's DDR3, DDR4 or even DDR5, right? So this is important if you would like to optimize or upgrade your RAM, or just simply if you want to know what type of RAM your computer is using. You no longer have to open up your computer to see what is written on the sticker of that RAM chip. You can already go ahead and purchase new RAM or upgrade your RAM by simply utilizing this strategy that I'll be showing to you. So first thing you want to do, just simply go ahead and open up your browser here. And within the description of this video, you can find this link that I'm about to show you right now. So you want to go to this website here. Now once you do that guys, all you have to do, you want to scroll on here and you want to select the zip option, which is English. The first option is the setup if you would like to install it on your computer, but the zip option is the one that you will just be able to run the application, right? So you want to go ahead and click the second option here. Let me go ahead and close this. And then you want to go ahead and click download now. This will download a zip file for you. So you want to go ahead and find that zip file and you want to go ahead and extract it. Now once this is extracted guys, you will see two files here, right? You have the X32 and you have the X64. In order to know which one you should use, I'm going to show you how to identify that on your computer. So let me go ahead and minimize this. Now what you want to do, in order to know if you should run the 64 or the 32-bit, now what you want to do, just simply click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and you want to type system information, right? You will see system information there. You want to open that, and right here on the system type, you will see if you have an X64 or X32, right? So in my case, it's an X64 and that it's clear. So what I'm going to do, just simply run the X64. Go ahead and select yes, and this will load up. And once this is loaded up guys, all you have to do is just click the option that says memory at the top, right? So you click the memory tab and you can see how many RAM you have. So as you can see, I have a DDR4 8 gigs right there, and it shows the channel and it's also show the memory controller frequency. You can also learn about your CPU, you can also learn about your main board, and you can also learn about SPD, graphics, and so much more. So all the valuable information that you want to know about your computer, you can find it utilizing this application here. So you can know every single thing that you can know about your computer. And these are all valuable and useful information that you should learn and know about your computer. So I really hope that you will use CPU-Z for not only just to check your RAM, but to check all the necessary information that you will need to know about your computer, right? Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.